Hello everyone. Happy April. Welcome to April. For most of us, we have had some warm weather. Like yesterday, we had a little bit of snow here in Michigan, but we're all good. It's still wonderful here, and it's not necessarily warm yet, but it is sunny and we can enjoy the weather again. So that is great. I'm so super excited because we reached a milestone in our team and we have over 400 members in our team. 400 members that have the opportunity to get educated, to feel better, to get healthy, to be without allergies, to be without PMS. So if you haven't reached those goals yet, now is the time for you to show up and get educated, because you can go through this season without suffering from allergies. You can minimize any negative things that you have happening when you're on your time of the month. And what we're going to have on the agenda for education is going to help you do that. So the number one thing that we have, if you are following my business page, Viva Activa, you will have seen all of my sister's amazing videos that she did, 31 days of a hormonal reset channel. And so if you had missed any of those videos, message me immediately so you can get those videos and let me know if you want to be down with that challenge. That is the exciting thing number one. Exciting thing number two is we're going to do a Thieves cleaning challenge. It comes with a little calendar. We're going to start that on April 19th. One of the keys to me getting rid of my allergies was getting rid of the toxins in my home. So making sure that I do not have dust and any toxic cleaning products in any part of my home was a huge part of getting rid of my allergies. So if you have not yet detoxed all of the cleaning products in your home, you want to be a part of this spring cleaning challenge. And then we also have our virtual beauty school. So if you have not been to beauty school yet, you have got to go. Just $15. And you get so much amazing education, 4 hours worth. And you also get some amazing samples. I have a video on what you get with your $15 ticket if you need that information as well. So that's a way for you to detox your skincare routine by making sure that you go to beauty school. So with that, we're going to have more classes that will be placed on the agenda, especially in Spanish. But right now, what we do have locked down is this upcoming Tuesday, April 6th, we're going to do All About Thieves. So you're going to get totally educated so that you are ready for this challenge. You know that we always have our Wednesday wellness. So anyone that's available on Wednesdays can plug into that. Friday, April 9th, we're going to have our home-based business chat. And then we have our book clubs going on for those that are interested in that. And then Friday, April 16th, the April 9th is the business chat in Spanish, and April 16th is the business chat in English. And then Sunday, April 18th is our monthly spa party. We have so much fun at those, and so you can get some samples there and get a little bit of information on how amazing beauty school will be. And you need to request those now. They have to be requested like at the very latest, like 8 days prior. So now is the time to message me and make sure that you can get those samples. And then Tuesday, April 20th, we will have our All About Thieves class in Spanish. And then on April 23rd, Friday, April 23rd, we are going to have another one of our Hormonal Reset classes. And we are working to see how we can record one of those in Spanish as well for everyone. So that is the amazing technique where you take some time and do a concentrated aromatherapy session in order to reduce your stress levels and reset your emotions. So those are all the amazing things and all the things that apply to every single person on this team, all 400 plus of you that are here, because the benefit of joining the team is the education and how that education will enhance your health in every single way imaginable. But then there are a few of you as well who are trying to get your oils paid for. And for those of you, congratulations, we had a lot of rank ups. And that's just a testament that we also have a training system for those of you that want to get your oils paid for as well. So I believe we had 6 rank ups. super, super exciting on a couple of different teams, and that is totally amazing as well. So we do have boot camps for those of you that are curious or want to check it out. Most of them are actually on mindset right now, and so it's really going to apply to every aspect of life, whether or not you're trying to get your oils paid for. But for those that are trying to get their oils paid for, make sure that you are plugged in Monday nights at 8:30 to those. So that is what I want to share with you guys to start out this amazing month of April. I hope to see lots and lots of you. Just make it a goal to show up to something once a week. And invite some other people so they can learn with you, because this is the time. You have the tools to not worry about allergies. You have the tools to minimize PMS symptoms. You have the tools to have your house cleaned, toxic free. You have the tools to have toxic free skincare, which is also going to reduce allergies, which is also going to make you feel better, have better concentration. You just got to show up so that you can use those tools. So I look forward to seeing lots of you at all of the amazing things we have this month. And as usual, if you have any questions, hit me back. If you need a one-on-one session, remember, I'm available for that as well. So talk to you guys and see you guys soon. Bye.